Well, hello. Let's finish the week off. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers and I am the Scruffy Trader. What I'm trying to do is kind of put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, please share the videos, click the little subscribe button, genuinely helps, and we'll crack on. What have I been doing this week? Well, it's the end of the week. It's now 26th of February, Friday, and I've done a little challenge all week on what's called daddy levels.
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
They're not special, they're just solid levels from a higher time frame, but it's really to show you how the price reacts at these points and really how simple trading really is. Now, a lot of people will scoff at that statement and think, well, trading's rock hard, nobody makes any money at it.
No way!
I beg to differ, and I've got a small little community in the Scruffy Squad that would probably disagree with that after they've been watching what I do. And I often put it to the test with live trades, and that's what I've been doing this week. Because I'm a good believer, if I put my head on the block and say I'm going to do something, it's all well and good, hypothetically. I'll show it to you real time, straight in front of you. Now, earlier on this morning, I pulled my screens over. I did a chart markup, and I'll just find it.
Well, we're waiting.
Where we are? There we are. Because I've been doing it all the time. Now, there it is there at 10 to 9 this morning. And if I move it over into Forex, yes, the boys do enjoy themselves with silly gifts. We have a jolly good time. There it is there, 10 to 9. Telling you it's about to move up into the daddy levels. And be careful because it's Friday. Okay, and that's what this is. It's a Discord group for the Scruffs. We have general chat, music, etc. And then we go through Forex, indices, commodities, shares if you're a share dealer, crypto. We have our rags and riches where we show each other what we're up to and how well we're going, just to encourage each other. Obviously chart markups where I'll mark up what I'm going to do and I'll highlight the areas to get in where I'm expecting it to go. And we'll discuss strategies. And then as we go down here, these are all the videos in catalogue order and then useful links that you can use. So it's a real good thing, and if you're interested, by all means come and have a look at it. But in the meantime, what I'm looking to do is go back to the pound yen, what I was trading yesterday. Did royally well for me yesterday, there we go. Picked a little bit of the overspill from cable, which closed out during the night. Let's get that back over to there. And this has been interesting. And why? Because it's on a super drive up. As we can see, it's had a nice little drop back yesterday, a very strong drop back. Look at this tail. That's telling us it's pushing back up. So if I put this back onto the hourly chart, and it'll highlight the zones that I work on, you can see it's now come to time to trade. All right. It's already been up and tested the first daddy level. I'm looking to get it up to here. It's a reasonable move, but I've had a good week, so I'm not going to be greedy. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look to put a couple of orders in to get to this blue line, and anything further than that I'm quite happy with, because that is maybe 15-20 pips. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at my little 15-minute chart. As you can see, it's been up, it's pulled back, It's staying in the zone, so I'm quite happy. It's pushed up. It's moving a little bit out of it. So if I drop it onto a 5, just so I can fine tune what it is I'm actually doing. There's your drive up, dip down. If I do a candle count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's kind of there where we want to get it. Okay, so what we'll do, same as I do all the time, a couple of orders in. Makes life nice and easy. Why do I put multiple orders in? Well, it's very simple. It just helps me to scale. Put that one there. I'm going to put another one at 20, just on the other side. Okay. Well, got that and that. And how far? Still got a good way to go. What we'll do is, they're in. Put an extra order in. It's because I think this is pretty good to go. 50. There we are. That's it. Just pull that down. And that is it, guys. Simple as that. We caught in a very nice arena. What is the arena? Well, if I move it out to an hourly chart, I'll be able to show you. Trading arena is that red and that red. There is a tighter arena within it, which is this blue line here and that blue line there. And as you can see, the price has been up. It reacted to it nicely. It's come away. It's gone up. It's reacted to that next level. But what I'm kind of banking on is this strong drive down, rejecting this zone because it's gone down. It's bounced off a couple of levels. And now it's moving up. I don't want to be overly greedy because there is the main daddy level. There is another one here. But this order here at 50 pips, it's kind of in this cluster point. And it's Friday. Don't really want to be rocking the boat too much on a Friday. I did technically finish the challenge yesterday because I don't normally trade on a Friday. However, I opened my mouth this morning, as I've just shown you, to the scruffs, and it's only fair that I trade. So that's what we do, and kind of finish the week off, shall we say. So I'll just let it run out, and I'll come back to you at the end. That, guys, stopped out. Well, can't win them all, but look where it stopped out. Right on a daddy level. How well has it done today? Wow. I think that is pretty impressive for a simple set of levels. Simple as that. So what happened? Well, as you saw at the beginning, trading arena between two zones. Those zones are quite important. Then you have stage levels for entry points, exit points. So it's this level here is what's giving you kind of your entries. You have staging points around this zone here, so in and around that area. Now, I also put on a position and then actually set one slightly below, so kind of half expecting the price to drop down into it, and it did. Reason why it did it was just to show you that you don't always have to go into the market full kilt. You can put an order in and then put a one slightly below it. If it got triggered, happy days. If it didn't really matter, because I've been paid for the day anyway. Then you have your exit points. Well, the first one is this bottom, this dotted line here, and it got there. But there was also quite a bit of bouncing here and here, and that's where you get a lot of your profits, because you can get in, let it return back to the start, put the order back, let it pay you again. Too many people just put their orders in and they pray to God it's going to go to target. Why?
Prophecy caused all this trouble.
Markets do this all the time. Why not capitalize on those bounces by splitting your position?
Isn't that logical?
If you've got a relatively small position, £5 a point, you know, doesn't cost a lot to open up a £5 a point position. Break it into 5 £1 positions and stage it. And if some of them drop out and it comes back, which it often does, just put it back in, and you're getting paid over and over again. Simple stuff. And sometimes you'll find that you'll get paid just as much without getting anywhere near your target. Proof kind of today. I wasn't going to trade today. However, it was one of those situations whereby I opened my mouth, and I've been doing it all week, and I just kind of wanted to cap it off. And when I looked at the charts this morning, because I look at them every morning and sort of do my strength sheets regardless, even if I'm not trading, I still do it because my strength sheets are built up over multiple days and I need all of the data to be there. I'll glance at the charts. I love the charts. I look at them all the time. They fascinate me. And if I see something, I'll trade it. However, I didn't start trading this till dinner time. So I kind of waited, and I mean, you saw the screenshot what I said was looking at. That was early morning. So I sat on my hands, had a few things to do. Set an alert on my phone for it to trigger and let me know what's going on. And then traded it. Do that every day and you'll be fine, guys. Just look for one good trade per day and then manage it. And you'll find you probably got more money at the end of the week than trying to do your 3-to-1 risk reward, scalping 5-minute charts or 1-minute charts, trying to do moving average crossover systems, all of this. And I see the videos on the front of my, or adverts rather, on the front of my videos for various systems. And a lot of them are not really worth the money that they tout. Just take your time, guys. You'll be fine. You don't need to pay a fortune to learn how to trade. You just need patience. That's it. Patience is your key. If you're trying to get in and out all the time, it's normally doesn't end very well. Once. Less is more, is what I'm driving at. So, copped off a brilliant week. I am definitely going to be having a few days off next week. I was supposed to have today off. That's gone up in smoke. But sometimes you just need to charge your batteries. And I do that from time to time. I'll actually just step away from the screens. I'll still watch them and one thing and another, keep myself sharp. But I won't necessarily trade.
No way!
So I'm going to wish you all a great weekend. Because it is Friday. It's now 4:15. I am definitely done for the weekend. And I'm going to enjoy a good beer or two tonight, I think. And why not? A little salute, because I did get a gift from the Scruffs this week. And I'm going to put it to good use, boys. And girls. Because we do have some lovely ladies there as well.
Hello.
You dirty old man.
So, as always, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.